I said I was not going to take more orders, but no, I have to take it.
Guys, we're going to go collect the kids' report sheet, and I have some deliveries to make. I don't know how the day is going to unfold, but let me just take you guys along. Let me take you guys along. I hope it's interesting. Yeah. And I hope this vlog is going to be long. So watch my ads and subscribe if you're not, because I noticed the people that are watching me are mostly not subscribed. So please do subscribe. Inna lillahi. I climbed something. I don't even know what it is. I only hope it's not. It's not HUMAN. I'm going to see you guys later. Hi guys, so we went and got the report card. We went and got the report card, and I went and sent all my orders to the park. Naka used to the park. How's I happy? Well, I ordered just in Wahala. Me, I don't even think I'll take just orders again, honestly. Unless if I have like a lot, or unless if they're getting like something. But because it's so stressful and the park is very, very far. So I'm gonna know. And now I just want to, since I'm already out, I'll just fill my gas in a margin gas in Kenya, and then I'll go back home, inshallah. I'm very sleepy, but I can't sleep. When I went to get bread, I had to get this cookie. This cookie is very, very nice. So my biryani is almost ambassador cooking and now. Let's later eat and eat it. Because I cannot even. Oh, this gabana Amazon, you're like, I eat cheap, but she in a saying cheap. So now they get that cheap. What am I going to do? Hi guys, so I've just decided to wash my hair myself and dry it, since I already have everything. I think I have things better than the salon. What I but this my laziness, it's never going to finish. So I will just wash my hair and maybe call the person that will make the hair to braid it for me tomorrow, inshallah. So today I will try and wash my hair and dry it, hopefully so I'll wash it and dry it, and then give myself a pedicure and do henna, inshallah. Maybe in henna maybe in bashi gobe. Somebody's calling me. I'm going to see you guys later. Hello? Hi guys. Now I'm going to drying. Hi, I suffered. I'm so proud of myself. I did it all by myself. Inshallah, go there if it's to tell me. So inshallah, I asked someone to let her know that she should come and make my hair tomorrow. I can't find her number. Guys, this is my phone now. I don't have a phone. See. Where is that? At least but watch my videos. Watch my videos and watch my ads so that I'll get money. Maybe buy phone. Please. Kugani. And now we ordered for pizza, and I ordered for shawarma because I don't like the pizza. The pizza is very, very nice. I just don't like the pizza. I don't want to eat any pizza. So this is the pizza. Oh. This is the pizza. Should I taste it?
Yes.
So I'm going to do my lalle now. Nisa abin yake aka jama'a. Kun ga lalle da na ja? See. The
video was supposed to be like a day in my life or like something for the day, but no, it has extended. Right now I'm going to go get some things. There are some things that we need and we don't have, so I'm going to go get them. Yo, but send me one and inaba. I don't know what is wrong with my camera, but kuna gani na di. So I'm going to go get some things that we need, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Boy, I really don't know what is wrong with him. He wants to follow. Anywhere you want to go, he wants to follow. He always wants to follow. Guys, I just finished praying after I am back. I am so I am so exhausted. I'm so exhausted. And guys, I made egusi soup. I swear, nobody helped me. I did it on my own. I know there are some of you that will be eyeing me somehow. It was so nice. I haven't even eaten it yet. I don't even know if I can eat. One of the reasons why I hate cooking, in abu na samu na courage na abu, then I can't eat it again. Does anyone also go through like this phase? But I'm still going to force myself to eat that egusi because I've been wanting to eat egusi, and I don't have anyone that can make the egusi the way I like it, so I just had to do it by myself. I think it's only one person in this world that makes egusi the way I like. He knows how to make that egusi just the way I love it. So in her absence, because she has been absent for a while, so I had to do it myself. Allah ya sa mu cika da imani. Kun ga dai ina nan ina yawo da cababben hannu. Hannun da na caba shi da kaina wai ne a dole lalle. Guys, you know exactly what happened? What happened was, ni ko dama almost every time, duka masu yi min lalle, they can testify that in aka min lalle dole sai ya cabe. Maimakon aje hannuna haka, not touching anything. I want to keep it somewhere. So I kept my hand like this. I forgot I had henna. And then when I remembered, I was like, inna lillahi. And then I turned the hand again and spoiled this one too. So dika na bata kota ina, na bata ta sama, na bata ta kasa. And now I just have to go around with hands looking like this. But the good thing is black henna, so it's going to go out easily. I'm going to put lemons. I made the abubuwa da ake sakawa. I'm going to put everything and it's going to go off, inshallah. So guys, I'm going to see you later if I have anything to show you, and please subscribe to my channel and watch my ads. Kuku send the send you watch my ads. Watch my ads, watch my ads, watch my ads. Guys, I forgot to tell you, my cat gave birth to 5 kittens. Oh, I'm so excited about that. That is good news. At first, I thought she went to like, if you guys are following me on Instagram, I have been like updating my Instagram stories about my cat story. So I have 2 cats. The male cat is called Snow because he's mostly white. He has like a touch of brown on his body. And then when I posted Snow the first time, he was sick. Like the next day, immediately he became sick because a lot of people saw him and didn't say mashallah. So I'm not about to show anybody my cat again. But I posted Sparks yesterday on my Instagram story because she gave birth. So I have Sparks name a child. So Sparks likes going out. She doesn't like staying at home. So when Sparks got pregnant, because she's always going outside, I was like, Sparks, we don't even know what to do. I have been ranting and ranting and ranting. I've been ranting a lot, especially on my Instagram story. I've been ranting to everybody in my family, everybody that will give me ears to listen. I've been ranting about Sparks going to get pregnant out of wedlock. So fast forward, Sparks gave birth like 2 days ago. So she gave birth to 5 cute, like the most cutest kittens you would ever see in your life. She gave birth to them. Oh, her birth story is another day. Like, I thought she was going to give birth end of this month, but she ended up giving birth before that time, and we were not ready. Like, we were not ready at all. But that is story for another day. So she gave birth to 5 kittens, and then out of the 5 kittens, one of them looks exactly like Snow. So I am like, oh, Ashiba, I want to it is Snow. Like, she was pregnant with her husband. And yes, we had a proper wedding for them. We even ate food, we ate rice, we ate wedding jollof. So they are officially married. Like, they are Muslims, both of them are Muslims. So they are married according to the Islamic way. Like, we did everything the Islamic way. They Snow paid her mahar in milk. So we did everything the Islamic way. So they are married. So I was so scared. I thought she went to get pregnant out of wedlock. But when I saw then looking like Snow, I knew that Bayawanta's birthday, but she was pregnant within our renter. So I am so happy about that. And yeah, that is just the update. Before I post this video, in Nabita, in the yaran suke da waya na a hannuna, I'm going to show you guys what they look like. Shikenan, just know that they are 5 and they are so cute and they are so beautiful, and just say mashallah and pray for them. So I'm going to see you guys when I have anything interesting to show you, or when I just want to talk to you guys.
Yeah.